Thank you for joining in, and I'm back with another part 2 to my Amazon favorites. And first up, I have this watercolor pad here, and this one, like you can see, is from Canson, and this paper is pretty cheap. It's beginner friendly. I enjoy this large size. It's 11 by 15, the 140 pound. This is great for wreaths or large pieces of artwork, but I specifically bought it to do like big florals and maybe some larger animals. You can see there, big landscapes, whatever it is that you do. But again, this is a top favorite. Like I said, it's beginner friendly, inexpensive. And for some reason, I have the, like the notebook, and this paper, it is supposed to be the same, but for some reason, this is better quality than my notebook. I didn't really care for that art journal too much. It was okay, but like I said, this is better for some reason. Not sure why. It's supposed to be the exact same, but I just thought I would throw that out there in case anybody else was wondering, because sometimes you never know with Amazon. And on a smaller journal, I really enjoyed this Winsor Newton one. This has a soft cover though, so it's not the greatest for travel, but it is a top favorite. I really like the Winsor Newton brand. I've been using them for over 10 years. And it has a little piece of cardboard on the back here. And let's see, this one, again, it was the 140 pound paper. I think there was 30 sheets in here. But you can see there's minimal buckling. There are 15 sheets in this, so it's 30 if you use front and back, which I did. They were perfectly fine, really sturdy. Again, it may not be travel friendly, but quality wise with the paper, this is probably the best one that I've ever purchased off Amazon. It just doesn't have the hard cover with the rubber band. And let's see, next up I have some actual watercolor paints. This little set here, the Art Philosophy brand, is pretty popular, but I like, this is the Essence one. Let's see a little pop out. But I really like these colors because they are different. They're muted earth tones. And then you still get like a unique green there and a light blue over there. A little bit of gray. So again, they're great for either florals or landscapes, but just unique compared to, let's see, I just have this on the table here. Like, see how bright these colors are compared to those? These are some white nights, just as a quick comparison. This set is great for the fall as well. And let's see, next up I have some Posca pens. These are fun to use for a wide variety of things. We have 7 different colors in there. These are fun for spring because it's the pastel set. We have right there. And you can use these on like glass, ceramic. You can use them on watercolor paper. So you can just use them for like if you wanted to do some labels or your bullet journaling. So lots of fun different things you can do with those. And they have a ton of different like colors and sizes available. I bought this case on Amazon. It's really cute. There was a couple different designs to choose from. It's the same on the bottom. I don't want the colors to spill out. But the cute roses there. And it does come with this little foamy piece. You can still use the lid for mixing if you wanted to, which is what I do. And then it came with a bunch of these little the little half pans. And these magnets work really well. But I just wanted to put my, these are my white knights in here. But overall, I really enjoyed this. I think it was right around like $10 or $11. It was inexpensive. And it snaps tight. So if you did want to take it somewhere, it's definitely not going anywhere. You can't even see anything. So it's nice and sturdy. And in the last video, I did mention, because I was gone away and I wasn't home, but this is the flat lay that I was talking about, and the seller isn't there anymore. I know there's different ones on Amazon if I can find something similar, but these are really nice to shoot on, and it's, see, like a different wood type on the back there. I just think this one's a little bit cuter. I rotate them, as you can see. And they come like all rolled up, so you definitely have to like put like something on the end to flatten them out. And they do over time. Also, another really big top favorite is this ring light that I was sent for a review. I've been using this almost like every day. It is really tall. You can see there on the floor. And it comes up over my desk, and it's really bright. It has a bunch of different settings. And then you could, if you want to, put your phone in there. And you can, there's another one over here. There's just so many different things on here. And where is it? This is the little control thing down here with your settings. And I will put a link to that down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick update on the second favorites. And hopefully you'll find some favorites of your own. All the links are down in the description. And I'll see you next time.